Welcome to Kids Virtual School. Hello, boys and girls. Today, we're going to explore a new and exciting topic, masculine and feminine words. These are words used for boys, girls, men, women, and even male and female animals. Let's have fun as we learn together. Ready to begin? Let's go! Masculine and feminine. Man, woman, boy, girl, father, mother, son, daughter, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, king, queen, prince, princess, actor, actress, gentleman, lady, lion, lioness, tiger, tigress, bull, cow, horse, mare, peacock, peahen, drake, duck, stallion, mare, ram, ewe, rooster, hen, fox, vixen. That was such a fun lesson. You've learned so many masculine and feminine words today, and I'm super proud of you. Keep practicing, and soon you'll remember them all. See you next time for more fun learning adventures. Bye-bye.